Hey guys, it's Barry again with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and this time we're demonstrating one of my favorite component decks. It's a realistic TR-169. Very simple, very reliable, generally needs service once or twice in its lifetime. Uses a lightweight mechanism. There's just not that much that can go wrong with this deck. In this case, another company had worked on it previously. The plastic head mount was broken, and instead of, well, I guess they didn't have the whole the whole assembly to repair. They just kind of glopped a bunch of epoxy on top of it. It works fine, so I left that alone. The unit was slow, so I sped it up to spec, and the manual program change button was no longer working. It was broken internally. I thought I could fix it. I ended up replacing the switch entirely, so it requires just the slightest touch to change tracks. Now, let's go ahead and pop in the tape and make sure everything works before we send her back. And I'm going to keep the songs pretty short because I'm starting to get partially nailed for copyright issues with this tape. So far, when there's an issue, it just means that people in Russia can't view my videos. I've never had a customer from Russia, so that's probably not going to really matter any. But I'm not going to be playing the songs as long. I'm going to be switching tracks quite a bit more than I used to. So let's go ahead and pop her in.
Rain used to fill my eyes till I met you so. You're the answer by the truth. Got pretty little stuff, my friend. Now
Okay, and that's it. There's just not much to test on a standalone 8-track that only has a program change button. There's nothing else to it. Just plays and changes tracks properly. So this comes from Jim in East Weymouth, Massachusetts, and thank you very much for your business, Jim. And to reach me for service, everyone, please visit the website that's in the description below, and please download and print a work order before calling me with a bunch of questions, because that's what the work order is for. The work order saves me about 15 minutes on the phone with each new customer, allows me to stay on the bench and put out my top quality workmanship, and that's the most important thing, is how long your unit works after the warranty expires. So please do get your as much information as possible from the work order before calling me with questions. You're welcome to call me. I'm happy to talk to you, but don't hit me with a 15-minute barrage of questions about my prices, options, turn times, and all that stuff. That's all in the work order, and that just keeps me on the bench where the actual work gets done. I don't get any work done being on the phone all day. So thanks so much for watching and listening, guys. Thank you, Jim, for your business all the way from Massachusetts, and we'll see you next time.